Hi and welcome to Kendall's greenhouse. Please join me. I'm heading to a friend's house and we're going to shop her garden. Plant time! So my friend's house is across the bridge from me in Gig Harbor, Washington. I looked up her hardiness zone and I'm in 8B. She's in zone 9A. So pretty close, means it just doesn't get quite as cold there as it does where I am. Close enough for gardens though. Most of what is in her garden would survive in my garden. So she has just this beautiful view of the water. And I'm just doing a pan of her front garden area here so you can see she has a nice big spot, beautiful borders, and she is just getting the beds prepared to put mulch down for the spring. Here we've already dug up a bunch of irises and other things in the wheelbarrow. I brought along some little pots with me, some dirt, and some trays. Turns out the trays were the most useful, so we could just sort of pile a big pile of something in there and then separate it out if needed. A neighbor's dog came and found us while we were there. He was a cutie. And here is the haul so far, and here's my friend digging up some Japanese sweet flag from her shade garden. It was a lot of work. So I've got a bunch of that and a nice pile to add to my garden. And now we're in her backyard and we're going to find some lady's mantle to dig up. I have lots of places I'd like to put lady's mantle in my garden because I have a lot of shade. So she's getting me a nice little clump from the pathway here of lady's mantle. Okay, wait, I gotta remember what these are. Oh yeah, lady's mantle I'll know. What's the one on the left again? Is that the monkey one?
Monkey flower.
That's the monkey one.
Valerian. Bachelor's button.
Oh, that's the perennial bachelor's button, right?
Yeah.
Yes, and then more lady's mantle. Okay.
That's pretty. It blooms a long time here.
Okay. I definitely already forgot what some of those are, so I'm glad I took that little video. Now we're going to check out her mason bee house.
Look at him! He's just sitting there. Oh. They just sit in the opening and like look out on the world.
So mason bees are 120 times more effective than honeybees or bumblebees at pollinating. And they have a 95% pollination rate compared to honeybees, which only have a 5% pollination rate.
I just set them up top here. Any of them wiggling?
Will you put these in there?
I put them on top. Yeah, they were in my fridge all winter.
What?
And I just put them out yesterday, and they'll all pop, they'll all hatch and do that.
Crazy.
They just need to be kept at 60 to 70 degrees.
So she meant to say 60 to 70% humidity, 30 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit, which is fridge temperature. She stores the cocoons and then she puts them in the little bug house here so they can hatch.
Oh my gosh. Did I do it? That was a hard one. Oh. Yay, success.
So that was a hardy geranium she was digging up, which I love. And now she's digging up some pink yarrow that has seeded in her yard too close to her globe thistle, and I will enjoy adding that to my collection. I only have white yarrow right now, so it'll be awesome to have some pink. I love having plants from my friends' gardens. We value it at like $1,000.
Yes, at least.
It's fun to think about how much money I'm saving by shopping my friend's garden. If you watch Linda Vodder, she talks about shopping your own garden. So might as well shop your friend's gardens too. I'll take these plants home and water them in, and then the next day I will divide them up and make sure they're all well taken care of, and I'll show you that in a video tomorrow. Please join me. We're back and we got our haul and it's all watered in. We got so many good things to plant in the garden. Thanks for joining me. I hope to see you again soon.
Take a breath, take a breath, take a breath. Hang out with me. Find yourself in Kendall's greenhouse.